In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the video thumbnail on TikTok. So once you're on your homepage or your profile, you can go ahead and tap on the little plus icon in the middle of the screen. Then you want to tap on upload and you want to upload a video. So I'm just going to upload this video right here and then tap on next. Now this isn't where you change the video thumbnail. This is where you can edit the clip and so on. So I'm just going to tap on next at the top. And now you can add sound effects, text and stickers. This isn't where you change the thumbnail either, so you tap on next. Now you have the option to enter a description, and you can see on the right it says select cover. So you go ahead and do that, and then you can scroll and you can select any of the frames and select the cover for the video. I'm just going to select that frame, then you tap on save, and then you will type out your description, add your hashtags and tag friends, and then you would tap on post at the bottom right. So that is how you change the thumbnail of a TikTok video. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.